Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's session of Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. I'm Kavita Sabrawal, working as English mistress at Government Senior Secondary School for Boys, Rahon, SBS, Nagar. Students, before starting with the degrees of comparison, let us recapitulate what is adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. In other words, an adjective adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. For example, a black horse. Here, black is adjective because it describes the noun, that is horse. We can have some more examples of adjectives like some money, 30 books, this noble appearance, a clever boy. Here the words some, 30, this and clever are adjectives because these add to the meanings of the nouns to which they belong. Then there are 9 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative adjectives, distributive, interrogative, possessive, exclamatory, and emphasizing adjectives. Students, I have got few exercises for you. The first one is underline the adjectives in the following sentences. First, Rohan is an intelligent boy. Second, Sudha is a good singer. Third, Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Fourth, Delhi is a big city. Fifth, Simla is known for its fine weather. Sixth, she is wearing a beautiful dress. Seventh, I took bath with hot water. Eighth, mango is a very tasty fruit. Ninth, Ram is a tall boy. 10th, Abdul Hamid was a brave soldier. Students, these are the sentences in which you have to find out the adjectives and underline. Here are the answers. The first sentence is Rohan is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, the adjective is intelligent. The word intelligent describes the boy Rohan. The second sentence is Sudha is a good singer. In this sentence, the adjective is good because it adds to the noun singer. It answers the question, what kind of? So, it's the adjective of quality. The third given sentence is Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Here, the adjective is great and we have underlined it. The word great describes the poet. The fourth sentence is Delhi is a big city. The adjective that we have underlined is big because it adds to the meaning of the word city. It answers the question, what kind of? So, it's the adjective of quality. The next sentence is Simla is known for its fine weather. In this sentence, the adjective is fine. The word fine shows the quality of the word weather. The next sentence is She is wearing a beautiful dress. Here we have underlined the adjective beautiful because the word beautiful denotes the quality of the word dress, which is a noun. The seventh sentence is I took bath with hot water. The adjective in this sentence is hot. Again, it answers the question, what kind of? Mango is a very tasty fruit. This is the next sentence and we have underlined the adjective tasty. The ninth sentence is Ram is a tall boy. Here, the adjective is tall. It adds some meaning to the naming word boy. The 10th sentence is Abdul Hamid was a brave soldier. In this sentence, we have underlined the adjective brave. It denotes the quality of the word soldier. Students, I hope you have recapitulated the adjectives. Now compare the three boys in the given picture closely and mark the difference. The name of the first boy is Ajay, the second boy is Vijay, and the third boy is Rajesh. Students, do you find any difference? Yes, the difference is of height. Let us say Ajay is a tall boy. It means Vijay is taller than Ajay. The other sentence is Rajesh is taller than both Ajay and Vijay. It means Rajesh is the tallest of the three boys. Students, do you like puppies? Now let's compare the three small puppies in the following picture. The first puppy is small. The second puppy is smaller than the first. The third puppy is the smallest of the three. Here, the three adjectives small, smaller, smallest help us to make comparison. Similarly, if we compare the following means of transport, we say the car is fast. The train is faster than car. The plane is the fastest of all. Again, the three adjectives fast, faster, and fastest help us to make the comparison. Can you now fill the blanks with the suitable adjectives? We have 3 pictures here. The first picture is of elephant and it has been described as tall. The second picture is of giraffe and the third picture is of the Eiffel Tower. We have to fill these 2 blanks with the suitable adjectives. Here we have the answers: tall, taller, tallest. An elephant is tall. A giraffe is taller than an elephant. The Eiffel Tower is the tallest. So the words tall, small and big are adjectives. And adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Most adjectives form the comparative by adding R or ER or IER, and the superlative by adding ST or EST or IEST to the positive. Let us look at the following examples: positive, comparative, superlative. First, quick, quicker, quickest. Second, fine, finer, finest. Third, nice, nicer, nicest. Fourth, bold, bolder, boldest. Fifth, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Sixth, deep, deeper, deepest. Seventh, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Eighth, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Ninth, happy, happier, happiest. All these are the examples of the adjectives which form the comparative by adding R or ER or IER, and the superlative by adding ST or EST or IEST to the positive. Some adjectives with more than 1 syllable form the comparative by using the word more, and superlative by using the word most. Students, before I give you the examples, let me clear you what is a syllable. It is a word or part of a word which contains one vowel sound. Like the word mat has 1 syllable and mattress has 2 syllables. Now we are going to take the examples of some adjectives with more than 1 syllable which form the comparative by using the word more and superlative by using the word most. Positive, comparative, superlative. First, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Second, courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Third, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Fourth, satisfactory, more satisfactory, most satisfactory. Fifth, useful, more useful, most useful. Some comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are not formed from the positive. They are different words. Let us look at some more examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. First, good, better, best. Second, bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest. It means at a distance. Like, let's walk, it's not far. We have far, further, furthest. Here it means more. Like, are there any further questions? Then in the given table, we have many, more, most. These examples show us that some comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are not formed from the positive. They are different words. Now I have got one exercise for you. Here's the incomplete table that has to be completed. Give the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. 1 degree of adjectives is given, and students, you have to write the other 2 degrees. The adjectives given under the positive degree are happy, beautiful, and low. The adjectives given under the comparative degree are richer, more intelligent, and bigger. And the adjectives given under the superlative degree are heaviest, worst, and best. Now let's see what the table looks like after completion. We have 3 columns: positive, comparative, superlative. First, happy, happier, happiest. Second, rich, richer, richest. Third, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Fourth, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Fifth, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Sixth, bad, worse, worst. Seventh, low, lower, lowest. Eighth, big, bigger, biggest. Ninth, good, better, best. So these are the 3 degrees of adjectives, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Now let's learn the uses of degrees of adjectives. The first degree of adjectives is the positive degree. It is used when no comparison is implied. For example, Chandigarh is a beautiful city. Apple is a healthy fruit. Here the adjectives beautiful and healthy form the positive degrees. The second is the comparative degree, and it is used to compare 2 things or persons. For example, she is prettier than her sister. Haryana is bigger state than Punjab. The adjectives prettier and bigger form the comparative degrees. Students, remember one thing, that the comparative degree is followed by the word than. Even in the given examples, the comparative degree of adjectives is followed by the word than. She is prettier than her sister. Haryana is bigger state than Punjab. The third degree of adjectives is the superlative degree. It is used to compare more than 2 persons or things. For example, mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. Delhi is the biggest city in northern India. The adjectives sweetest and biggest form the superlative degrees of adjectives. Students, one important point that you should keep in your mind is that the is used before the superlative degree, as it's used in the given examples also. Mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. Delhi is the biggest city in northern India. Now I have got one exercise for you. Fill in the blank with a suitable degree of adjective given in the bracket. First, the Taj is dash than any other building. The given adjective is beautiful. Second, this is the dash book I have ever read. The given adjective in the bracket is good. Third, the dress is dash than that. The suitable degree of costly has to be filled. Fourth, Ram is dash than his sister. The given adjective is intelligent. Fifth, the climate of Shimla is dash than that of Delhi. The given adjective is good. Ganges is the dash river of Hindus. The given adjective is holy. Seventh, Radha has dash sense than her brother. the suitable degree of the adjective much has to be used. We have the answers here. The first sentence is, the Taj Mahal is more beautiful than any other building. Second, this is the best book I have ever read. Third, this dress is costlier than that. Fourth, Ram is more intelligent than his sister. Fifth, the climate of Shimla is better than that of Delhi. Sixth, Ganges is the holiest river of Hindus. Seventh, Radha has more sense than her brother. Students, now we are going to solve one more exercise. Complete the following sentences by using or choosing the correct degree of comparison. The first, Australia is the dash island in the world. The options are large, larger, largest. Second, the class test was dash than we had expected. The options are easy, easier, easiest. Third, the elephant has the dash trunk. The options are long, longer, longest. Fourth, Kilimanjaro in Africa is dash than Mount Blanc in Europe. The options are tall, taller, tallest. Fifth, the white dog was the dash of all. The options are gritty, grittier, grittiest. We have the answers here. The first sentence is, Australia is the largest island in the world. The is used before the superlative degree. Second, the class test was easier than we had expected. The comparative degree is followed by the word than. Third, the elephant has the longest trunk. The is used before the superlative degree of adjective. Fourth, Kilimanjaro in Africa is taller than Mount Blanc in Europe. The comparative degree is followed by the word than. Fifth, the white dog was the grittiest of all. The is used before the superlative degree. Students, today we have revised adjectives, learned the 3 degrees of adjectives, that is positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. We have also learned how to use the degrees of adjectives. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Goodbye.